Hey everyone, welcome back to Out and About. My name is Stuart and Missy is here, but she's already waiting for me and I'm just walking over to meet her. So let's go catch up with her. Hey everyone, welcome back to Out and About. My name is Stuart and we're back in Palm Coast, and today, well, we got a very special weekend. We have a weekend with Missy's mom and dad, and we're in, like I said, we're in Palm Coast. We're gonna hit the Cracker Barrel here for lunch first before we head into St. Augustine for the day. And yeah, it's very special because we have no other outside influences besides Missy, me, and the in-laws. So all the other guests have taken off for the weekend and it's just us four, and we're gonna enjoy ourselves. Oh, look who I ran into. Hey. Imagine that.
Yeah, we got seated right away.
No, that's cool. So we're here at the Cracker Barrel. Missy's here.
Hey.
Say hi, Missy.
Hi, Missy.
And here's our guest of honor. Favorite mother-in-law. And there's Ed. You've seen Ed in other videos.
Yep.
Even in our Screaming Head video, which we'll link down below. All right, folks, so lunch is done with the in-laws. I'm going to walk back and get the car. I didn't film very much inside the Cracker Barrel. It's, I don't think you guys want to see us eat all the time. Anyway, so we're going to head back to the car. Gonna go back to the condo in Palm Coast, take care of a few things, and then we're going to head into St. Augustine for the day. And it's a nice, beautiful day here in this part of Florida. You couldn't even tell Nicole came through here, ripped around, unleashed her fury, and quickly left the state. You wouldn't even tell a hurricane happened just by walking around today. All right, so we're gonna go back in the car, and then we're gonna get in and make our way to St. Augustine. All right, so we're here in downtown St. Augustine, where we were a year ago this time, but we have our special guest with us. And Missy's here with us, and we found a parking spot. Now we just gotta remember where we're at so we can come back later. So I'm gonna take some video of where we're at so we can come and reference it later. All right, so we're on St. George Street. It's busy here today, and we were here, like I said, we were here about a year ago this time last year. The weather's a little nicer than it was this time last year, if I recall. And Missy, my cigar shop I like is just up here. So there's a couple of Cuban guys that run the cigar shop up here. So, what do you think?
Yeah.
You're in St. Augustine.
Yeah.
Again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go walk around.
Okay.
That's where we're going for dinner shortly, in there, the Columbia restaurant. All right, so now we're on St. George Street. This is the hub of activity here in St. Augustine. If you want to find any shops you want, drinking establishments, cigar shops, head shops, clothing shops, you name it, you can probably find your favorite Let's Go Brandon shirt here, or you know, anything you want, you probably find it on this street right here. a year ago when Missy and I were here, we found this cool little cigar shop down here. We're gonna go check it, see if they're still here. Oh, Missy, look, they got a Zoltar. Gonna get your fortune read by Zoltar. Yeah, so we were here this time last year, and the cigar shop that we went to is just down here. We're gonna see if they're still here. Let's go and check and see that. Because if they are, we're gonna eat some cigars today. Yep, there they are, the Cuban Roller. So they have some really, really good cigars. So we're gonna go pick up some smokes over here. Okay, so Pepe's taking care of me, getting me some Toros cigars here at JC Cigar, the Cuban Roller here in San Agustin. As I come here every year, I'm in San Agustin to get some cigars, and being Canadian, I can take 50 back to Canada. It'll be at $6 a stick versus paying $40 a stick in Canada for the same quality cigar. So, yeah, overall better to get Pepe here to get your cigars in St. Augustine. Just come here and see them. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. And I'll put it on the screen here too. Good cigar guys here in St. Augustine. Trust me on that one for sure. Like I said, I come here every single year. All right, Missy is flexing her muscle and telling me I have to go to Beers of the World, so that's where we're going. I try to put up a good argument, but obviously I lost my argument. So we're starting our afternoon of drinking today with the Old Speckled Hen. It is a distinctive English pale ale. Where does it hail from? The UK. So there you go. So UK, and let's see what Ed's got. So Ed's got a Czech Republic beer, a Pilsner from the Czech Republic. I'm not familiar with that one. Ed, how is it? Have you had a taste of it yet?
Yeah.
Let's give it a taste and see what it's like.
Quite good.
Quite good. There you go. There's the official word. Quite good. And we'll do the Old Speckled Hen.
They have the skull splitter. Ooh, that one's $24.50.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
It's $8.
We'll pour this one and we'll start with this one. Alright, we got our meat and cheese tray now. So what do we got here? We got some different types of meat, some different types of cheeses, and some olives. It's good.
Hey, you don't need to film this.
Film what? What am I filming? You look gorgeous today, by the way. Good. Today. Two is Innocent Gun from Scotland. It's right here. So we're gonna have this one next.
Hopefully that's not the $24 one.
I don't know. Is there a $24 beer on the menu?
Yes.
All right. So this one, again, the Innocent Gun. Very tasty. I had this one before. I was playing in Missy off camera at the Prince of Wales Hotel in Niagara-on-the-Lake. They have this on tap. So cheers, everyone. Why does Missy have her finger stuck in the beer can? What are you doing with the
I was looking for the widget.
Oh, I think the widget explodes when you open it. All right, so Ed's got the Wexford here, Irish beer. How is it, Ed?
Good.
Good?
That's good.
All right, so
Nice.
and there's my favorite mother-in-law again. Smile, Joe. All right, so last beer of the last beer of the afternoon for now.
Yeah.
Presidente. This is my favorite one I have every time we go to the Caribbean. We stop and get a Presidente.
Yeah.
Missy and I have gotten drunk on Presidente numerous times.
I haven't.
Check out all the cool beer signs and plates, license plates, and different memorabilia from different breweries across the world here. So that was a great idea for my lovely bride to come here and have a few refreshments while we killed a little bit of time. So that was a good idea, Missy. So, Missy, how's your?
Well, that's another cigar place.
Yeah, look, there's lots of cigar places. How's your afternoon in St. Augustine?
Good.
You having fun? Yeah. Cigar places, beer places, all kinds of good places.
Coffee places.
Coffee places, beer places. Did I say beer places?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's lots of places.
Oh, look at the shelves in the
They built walls like this on purpose because when they had cannon fire, the shells in that would cause the cannonballs not to be able to do damage. Like the fort over there that you went through before,
Yeah.
the whole wall on the outside had all kinds of shells in it. Yeah. And the cannon balls wouldn't do damage to it if it was just pure cement.
So we're at the Columbia restaurant here in St. Augustine, and we got a nice table here, and we're going to sit down and enjoy some dinner.
Oh, it's a good thing they didn't want to get
Pepper and salt.
Okay.
So Ernesto's here making Missy's salad. That was. If you look back on our channel, we got the one time we went to.
And then it's got Swiss, it's got ham, Spanish salads, and tomato.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it looks good, Missy.
And then a few drops.
And the Worcester sauce is the best part of it.
the one.
That's right. So I got the Cuban black beans. Missy got their salad. And Joe's got her regular bean soup, right? And what is that you got there, Ed?
Croquettes.
Croquettes. They all look yummy. I wonder what they're eating in Orlando tonight. It's not as good as yours? Well, nothing's ever as good as yours.
No.
We know that.
That's right.
There's no argument.
No.
So take you out of the equation. Is it still good?
Oh, it's okay.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
no.
good.
And that's your normal response. It's okay.
Yeah.
No, actually, Missy's is, it's all right.
Yeah, it's all right.
It's all right.
This is good though.
It's good. Yeah, the salads are good here.
Yeah.
We got the Columbia hot sauce here. It is the perfect complement for any Spanish or Caribbean dish.
Tongue was really
And it works great on meat, rice, vegetables, and many other foods.
Because their tongue dries out.
Make sure you
right?
check it out at columbiarestaurant.com. Get this hot sauce, really good. All right, look at that grouper. Stuffed grouper with some crab and some veggies and some rice. Missy's got her filet. And Joe's got her eggplant there. And Ed's got, what did you get again, Ed?
Beef. Not sure what that is. Nice.
And if anybody knows where we can find this water, I would love to know. Put a comment below because we need to find some. It's not on Amazon. So, all right, let's see. Oh, that's a big chunk to put in your mouth.
No, I'm not. I'm cutting it.
How was it? Very good. All right, so our dinner at the Columbia restaurant is all complete. Missy, how'd you rate our dinner?
9 out of 10.
A 9 out of 10. I give it a 9 out of 10 as well. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10 as well. And what about our guest of honor? How do you rate your dinner tonight, Joe?
Excellent.
No, it's not. It's score of 1 out of 10.
Oh, 10.
She gives it 10 from the Gravenhurst, Ontario judge.
No,
Bracebridge. Same idea, same area. Same rough idea. So Missy and I are now on St. George Street in the dark.
Yeah.
It's nighttime now, and it's a different world here at nighttime.
It is.
It's not really that different.
No.
It's still busy, but it's not like 7th Avenue in Ybor City or Bourbon Street in New Orleans. It's not the same craziness. Anyway, we're walking back to the car, and we're going to make our way back to Palm Coast. Get settled in for the night, watch our shows. And so, Missy, anything you want to add before we wrap up this video?
No, it was a really good day.
It was a really good day in St. Augustine. And we'll see you guys in a future video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And catch up with all the craziness that we have on our travels here on Out and About. Thanks for everyone for watching.